Hey guys, hello. So yeah, we're gonna start the live stream now. Let's go Kali. So I'm just powering it off. I'm gonna start off with how to install Kali and all that cool stuff. So, let's just get rid of that. I'm not doing like that. It says you get the private link actually. Yeah. Anyway, so let's start by going online, and let's get to a something for you. So, oh, sorry, I was actually watching my own video. Lol. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so let's go to VMware Player. I've already got this. So I'm not going to install it. Then you go to downloads. It's actually free, but it expires. But you get to keep it. You know. But we have to have a dongle for this because you need to connect to the internet in Kali Linux. Cool stuff. See if we've got any viewers. Nah. But let's just have a look in VMware. Yeah. Yeah, let's go VMware. Where is it being installed? Let's just search for it. Player, yeah, player. You can get workstation, but I'll get player. And no, it wouldn't be on here. I'm sorry, sorry guys. It will be somewhere, but it will be somewhere on here. You don't have to actually install it. There it is, workstation player. Here we go. So here it is. So it's workstation. No, I don't want that. You can just get that. I'm not sure if it's even available anymore to get VMware player. Let me search for it. VMware player. Up here. Search results. Nope. I'm not even sure it's available anymore. Let's go for here to free download. It's a hard thing to find. Hard thing to find, guys. Oh, it's not. That's in Japanese. So to just get thingy. Mate. Yeah, we got the. Oh, that Chrysalis joined. All right, and then the viewing on YouTube. Thank. All right. So, what should we talk about? I'm actually gonna view the messages and stuff. We could talk about Kali as well. I know I've actually advertised it as Kali. We can talk about Kali and programming and maybe a bit Bitcoin as well. So, I got a viewer. We have a look at it. I think it's probably my thingy. um, sorry. Mate. Yeah. Um, let's bring it down. Hi, viewer. I think it's Chris. I'm not sure. How's form? Alright. So yeah, we can install player. It's not gonna get me. Thanks, mate. So let's go into. So it's install the workstation or the player. It doesn't really matter actually. I think. Yeah. So just go any of them. Next thing, I'll tell you how to install this. Just go workstation player. As I say, you want to get 30 days, but you actually get the thing as well. Just try for free. I'm actually not going to install it, but it's saying try for free. It will tell you like 64-bit or 40. There we go. So if you want a 64-bit, I'll show you a Linux. I don't know why it just says 64-bit, but you know, we still got my viewer. 2 viewers. Oh, cool. So hi viewers. um. So yeah. So you want a 64-bit or you want the Linux bit? So I'm not sure if you can get it on Mac. I don't think you can actually. So if you want to install it, there's Windows, so you just install it there, 64-bit. I'm not sure where 32-bit will be installed, but you know where it is. So let's go to installing Kali Linux. Kali Linux. Let's go to that link there, that top link there. And actually, I know a lot about security and stuff. So this would be a good video. This gonna be a good video. It's gonna take a long time, so if I was you, just pause this video if you're gonna actually install it. The torrent link is actually a lot quicker, but you'd have to have a uTorrent to you know, that sort of thing. So yeah, next thing I can do. Oh, back down to one viewer. So yeah, install 64-bit or 32-bit. It doesn't really matter. No, it actually does matter. Actually, what am I about? It does matter, and I'll show you where. How would you know if you got a 64-bit or a 32-bit? I'll have a look. I'll show you where. Go to control panel. Go to system. Go to system. Go to security, and there we go. So you go down here. It says here, if you see here, look, system type. I'm 64-bit operating system. So I've already got it, like the already. So I'm not going to install it. But it's 3 gigabytes, so you know it's quite a lot. That's the iOS version. I just installed the ISO meant the ISO version because it's a lot better. I would it's a lot quick. It's not quicker, but it's a lot easier to be easier to do it, to use it, and I'm trying to think what to do now. It's execute the file and stuff. So yeah, I'm not going to install that because I've already got it. So when you install it, it will be in your downloads, or it'll be in, I don't know, yeah, it'll be in a download somewhere. But I downloaded loads of other things, so yeah, I'm not going to actually go looking for it. But it'll be an ISO file. Then once you've installed, the VMware, I've got the Oracle there and VMware Player. So let's open that up, and the first thing is a picture of me in the background. I'm gonna change that actually. So. I don't want to. I want to change it. So never mind. I'm not going to do that actually. So then you go to create a new virtual machine, or open to create. So say, you can say if you want to install the disk, I would do that, and then you go to browse, and then here I've got Ubuntu, and I've got install, and I've got Kali. There's Kali. So click on Kali, and then you just push next. Then push operate. When you go Linux, depends on what one it's on Linux. Then it depends on your 64-bit or 32-bit. You would click on other 2.6 kernel. So kernel 64-bit or normal bit. So there we go. I've got 64-bit. Then you go next. Then you can change this name to like Kali whatever. Kali. I've already done that, so I'm just going to Kali 4. Then you go next. Then you change this to how many you want, and then next, and then store. And then just I'm not doing that because I've already got it. So then once you run Kali for the first time, it will just say, just installing, and it will just say, and once you've got to the login page, it will say root, and type Torin, or Toor, which is the, I'll do it in a minute, which is the backward of root to install. So I just clicked on C++ for no reason. I need to get rid of this. Actually, I don't want this on my clipboard. I don't even do C++, so yeah. So yeah, Kali play virtual machine. It's like a while to warm up, to start and stuff. I want to talk to my viewers. Come on, guys. I want to see. I don't know what viewer it is anyway. So, I think it might be Chris. Thanks. Let me look on Twitter actually quickly. Why is this starting up? It's gonna take a while. Anyway. So yeah, when you come to here, go to live. You can go for any of these, but I'll just go for that one. Then you can push Control and Alt to come back to your Linux. Sorry, I just picked some Tor bags. What Tor? Yeah, because the operating system's cool. I might talk about Linux. I might talk about Bitcoin in a minute. Maybe if someone would join, if someone would talk about Bitcoin as well, like if Chris is Chris on the thing, talking about phone node maybe, but it's good. It's good. So, well, no one still. So let's look on a good notification. No, that's probably Chris advertising my thing for me. Thanks, mate. It looks like live YouTube K Linux. Thanks, mate. I actually really respect that because you're a good guy. We're good. I mean, mate, yeah, but it's cool. Cool guy. Someone favorited. Oh no, yeah, thanks. I'll retweet it as well. I'll retweet that. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. So, I'm not sure who that view is, but who cares? So let's wait for this to start. It's gonna take a while. Actually, if you've got a dongle, I'm actually gonna show you it quickly. Because let's change the screen to me. If you got this dongle, I'm actually a 12-year-old kid if you didn't know. So yeah, you've got that dongle. Yeah, you can have any kind of dongle. I mean, it's just that one's quite cool. And you got an aerial, obviously. So I'm going back to the screen now. I just want to show you what it was. The entire screen. Boom. Just plug it back in. So yeah, like that. I've got no viewers now. That's sad. Should it be on and off anyway? It doesn't matter. Wait. It kind of does. It doesn't matter. Just wait for it to come up. It's on now. Alright, we've got it up now. Almost. Almost. Let's go full screen actually. And I'll show you how to change the screen of Kali in a minute. So how long has this live stream been on for? And it's just been taking a long time just to try and get this working. So let's just go. Alright, live stream's been on for 10 minutes. By the way, I might have to put this in 2 parts later on and now because because I'm gonna go and get a drink actually. I'll explain to you in a minute why it's gonna be 2 parts. Alright guys, I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. The reason I want to put it in 2 parts is because I'm going for a bath in about 10 minutes or 20 minutes, I don't really know. And I'm going kung fu in about half an hour, so I'm gonna have to in the live stream and then start it again maybe today or tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. It's taking a while to come up. Here we go. Got it up now. See that grey screen? It'll come up. Then it'll come up in a minute. It's taking a while to come up though. I hope no one's just got bored and left. The 2 viewers I did have. So here we go. We're on. It will actually start up straight away. You won't have to type the password in or something. You might have to. I don't know. I haven't. I've had Kali for ages. So once you first come on, so let's just say I've unplugged my dongle and I haven't got my dongle in there. So let's unplug it. Whatever. So, and then your Wi-Fi. Just click on this little thing up here and click Wi-Fi. You want to be connected to the Wi-Fi because in this video we're going to do some cool stuff with wireless passwords, like maybe a bit of dictionary attacks. But I'm going to do it to myself. I'm not going to do anything illegal or anything bad because it could be used. So let's just go to wired. It's an educational purpose. Yeah, it is like. So let's just go here in wired, and I'm going to change the I'm gonna turn off wired because I have got Ethernet cable, but I'm not using it at the moment. No, so let's push that. This is actually quite an important bit in a way. So my Wi-Fi connect. No one saw that. They wouldn't have, but let's cut that off, and that's just connecting and stuff, guys. Now, yeah. Alright, it's connected now. So let's bring up a terminal. If this is your first time using a terminal, then don't be scared. It's just it's same as a normal, a normal screen. It's just using it with color. So basically, a colored screen like this, lovely, and you go into files. Let's say files, and you're moving to different directories like desktop, documents, downloads. By the way, I don't get it, but if anyone can help me in a way on this live stream in a way, because I don't know how I can't actually save my stuff. I can save stuff and download stuff, but then when I next go on it, it deletes for some reason. So I might have to learn to download some more stuff this time. So yeah, you see this like going to downloads and stuff. With a command prompt, you'd use ls to list files, ls, and you would use cd, change directory to go into files. So yeah, and clear is to clear the screen, and then you can press CD and you go back to that directory. So that's just the basics of just basics of a command. I'm not going to get into much basics. I'm going to try and go into in advanced in a way, but I'll still explain the basics like PDW, which is saying the root. I'm not sure what PDW stands for, but it's just a thing. It's naming what directory you're in a way. So yeah. PDW. I like it. So you go CD desktop and you go PDW. It will show you what root you're in and like the folder you're in. So it's root and then desktop. So let's just change that. By the way, in a minute, I know I've got no real bad people watching me in a way, and I will be showing my IP MAC address, but I will change it at one point in the video. Alright, first of all, when you get one of these dongle sort of thing, got ifconfig, which is like IP config in Windows, and it'll come Wallen. It depends on if in the old version Mon0, I'm not sure why it's not available in a minute anymore. Yeah, but it would say that anyway, but So I can just go ifconfig and you type in 10. I don't think it will work. I haven't tried it for ages. Nope, told you it wouldn't work. Device not found. We can go Wallen 0 or William. So IP is 192.168.0.5, but that's not my MAC address. So let's type MAC address, MAC changer. It will just alright. But first of all, I did that wrong for some reason. And then first thing you do, ifconfig Wallen 0 down. So it will bring it down. The thing, not physically, it won't go down, but within the memory or whatever it is, it will say down. And then clear if you want, you can do what you want. Then you can go Mac changer, so Mac changing your MAC address. Mac changer /r, then Wallen 0. So Mac used to be that. Now I've changed it to that. I will change it in a minute actually, and not show you again. But actually, I'm probably gonna. It probably wouldn't really matter actually if I changed it and stuff, because I don't know if anyone here will actually try and do anything bad. But two people can actually have the same MAC address actually, because let's say you're on a Wi-Fi and you want to get into another person's Wi-Fi, you just do MAC changer and Airodump, and you just look at all people's Wi-Fi's in the area, and then you can see their MAC address and you log into the Wi-Fi, but then you have to have their password as well. But I'm not going to do anything bad or illegal. I'm just explaining to you what people have done, what people can do, and probably what I could do, but I wouldn't. So let's do iwconfig. So we're going to go on monitor mode now. So we're going to go back into ifconfig Wallen and then bring it up, and then we're going to go iwconfig. I type monitor in. Monitor. I put it right. I'm going to do it differently actually. I think it's like this, or it's the other way around. I'm not sure. So I haven't done it for ages. Alright, I can do it another way anyway, so I don't have to do it like that. We can do aircraft Arab no. Aeromon. So here we go. So another way you can do it. So it says here, look, if Airodump, airy play, these are just different things. Like airy play is for de-authentication attacks, and Airodump is for looking at the Wi-Fi's and different errors. And then I don't know what Airodump is. I've never tried, never used it. But when it says here, you may want to kill some off. You do. You want to go. Just run that and see what things it works for. So you go check kill. I want to see there's only three commands that you were in it, and then start, stopping, check, and I actually forgot one of them. Alright, so let's go. Then we go ifconfig now, iwconfig. It will say monitor mode or manage mode. Manage mode at the moment. But if we go ifconfig, actually, I need to do something quickly. Stop. I did something wrong actually. I need to go at that. Well, I didn't do anything wrong. It's just that I ran something else after that messed everything up. So now, if we go iwconfig, it will say monitor mode. I don't know why it has double, but you know, it's just annoying. So monitor mode, monitor. See that, guys? So now we're gonna clear if you want. Then we can go Airodump. Let's see if anyone's viewing at the moment. I hope they are, because this will be a good part. Like, this is a good part of it. I've got no viewers. That's sad. This is a good part of the video. It's a good part of the video, guys. It's gonna be sad. It's sad if no one's there. No one's there. It's actually quite sad if no one's there. I've got a new sub. Not sub. I mean viewer. So let's go Airodump. Airodump /ng and then Wallen 0 mon. So Wi-Fi's in the area. So you see Wi-Fi's in the area. Alright, so that's the MAC address of station, and then that's just the BSS ID, and yeah, it's quite cool. Yeah, so you can full screen if you want. So it's just different Wi-Fi's in the area. I mean, it's nothing bad. I mean, you could do some bad stuff with this at the moment, like, you know, brute force and all that sort of thing. But I wouldn't do that. Personally, I wouldn't do it. And I'm not going to teach you guys to do it, actually. I might do it one day, but it wouldn't be in this video. In this video, I probably will just keep this like this. And I'm probably going to show something else. So let's just go Control C. I'm going to do my one, so it's not illegal. My one, so that's my one, the top one, BSSID. I probably will have to change this, but you know, BSSID is okay. So let's put control of that. Actually, I did that wrong there. So BSSID, and then actually, I'm gonna get my phone and I'm gonna connect to the Wi-Fi so it comes up like what. Yeah, let's go. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Airodump. Actually, I'm gonna do this. So we can go Airodump. We can go BSSID. We go wherever it is. Actually, I need to actually run it again because I forgot what it was. Of course you would. It takes a long time. Where's my Wi-Fi? There it is. So now the SSID will be 20 / OC / D8 / VD / 10. And the channel 11. And into the actually. Yeah, I did something wrong actually. So just channel 11. Oh, a lot of them running at channel 11. Okay, never mind with that then. Alright then. So BSSID is music quickly. Let's go full screen on Kali. Actually, so let's go. Let's go. BSSID will be. I did something wrong here. Not in this bit, but the other bit. BSSID is so Airodump. Actually, I got an idea. So let's just bring this up, and then you see that there. That's my phone connected to it. The bottom one here. So let's go. So let's just watch this now. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna send the live stream now because I'm busy and stuff. Alright, I have to go for a bath and stuff. Alright, bye.